Welcome viewers to the Smart Learning French language class. Today's topic, Présent du Subjonctif. In today's topic, I'll be showing you only two verbs. These two verbs are highly regular verbs of the French grammar, être and avoir. Être and avoir, I'll be showing how to conjugate it in Présent du Subjonctif and how to use it properly. Présent du Subjonctif is a very important tense of the French grammar, and it will be very much essential for the purpose of writing and the communication also. Before starting today's session, please permit me to let you know that I have launched a French communicative course. This is a short-term and totally online course. And this course will be giving you a very good coverage regarding the communicative aspects of the language, and the persons who are interested to visit France or students who are interested to visit France for their higher studies or in any other French-speaking countries or for official purpose or business purpose, they will definitely be benefited from this French communicative course. This online course means you can join comfortably, you can follow the course, and you can follow the course comfortably at home. Okay. If you are interested to join the course and follow the course online, you may contact me. My contact details are given in the description of the video. Okay? Before starting today's topic, please permit me to let you know that this course is very much effective course, and you will be definitely be learning something from this French communicative course. Okay. Before starting today's session, I'll be requesting once again to all of my viewers, friends and students to subscribe the channel Smart Learning so that all the lessons uploaded in the channel you can get it fast. Please like and share the video lesson, because one like and share will motivate me to work hard for the next lesson. Let's start today's topic, Présent du Subjonctif. Thank you. Today's topic, let's start Présent du Subjonctif. Présent du Subjonctif is a very important part of the French grammar. I'll be showing you in today's class only the verb être and avoir. These two verbs in Présent du Subjonctif I'll be showing in today's class, être and avoir. Okay. Actually, these two verbs are highly irregular verbs in French grammar, because these two verbs are not following any particular rule for their conjugation. Please follow one by one total conjugation in Présent du Subjonctif I am showing you. First verb I am showing you, être. Être. Je sois. S-O-I-S is the form. Tu sois, S-O-I-S. Il soit, S-O-I-T. Elle soit, S-O-I-T. These four forms. First I am showing you, je sois, tu sois, il soit, elle soit. Now the plural, other four forms I am showing you, nous soyons. S-O-Y-O-N-S. Vous soyez. S-O-Y-E-Z. Il soit. S-O-I-E-N-T. Elle soit. S-O-I-E-N-T. Okay. This is the full form of the verb, Présent du Subjonctif of the verb être. Actually, être verb is, English meaning is to be. So, if you conjugate it in Présent du Subjonctif, the meaning will be maybe. Maybe is the English meaning. Okay. In every case. That is, if I translate it, je sois means I may be. Tu sois, you may be. But informal. Okay. In case of junior or contemporary, you can use it. 2. Il soit, S-O-I-T, is for third person singular. He may be. Elle soit, she may be. Okay. Nous soyons, this is a plural. We may be. Vous soyez, you may be, this is a formal. For respective persons and elders, you can use it. Vous. Il soit, S-O-I-N-T, il soit, they may be, elle soit, they may be. Masculine, feminine. But in a gathering, if you get male and female both are there, the first will be used. First will be used for the masculine also, only masculine, and male, female both. Okay. And the second one, E-double-L-E-S, this is a plural, only for female. Okay. Keep it in mind. It's a very important tense, maybe. It will be more clear if I give you an example. Complete examples or give you a sentence. How you have to use it properly. Okay. The être verb, the full form, I am repeating once again, the pronunciation, please listen to me and carefully keep it in mind, the proper pronunciation. Proper pronunciation and tone is very much essential for the purpose of communicative purpose also. Je sois, tu sois, il soit, elle soit. In writing form, keep it in mind, that is, be careful regarding SOIS, SOIS, SOIT, SOIT. Okay. Nous soyons, SOYONS. Vous soyez, SOYOZ. That is the French spelling. Il soit, SOIENT. SOIONT. It's a plural. Je sois, tu sois, il soit, elle soit, nous soyons, vous soyez, il soit, elle soit. This I may be, you may be, he may be, she may be. We may be, you may be, formal. They may be. They may be masculine, they may be feminine. Okay. That's all for the verb être. Now I am showing you one complete sentence, that how you will use it properly in written French. À l'année prochaine, in the next year, je sois à Paris pour étudier à la Sorbonne. This is a complete sentence in French. À l'année prochaine, je sois à Paris pour étudier à la Sorbonne. The meaning is, in the next year, I may be in Paris for study or to study in the Sorbonne University. Sorbonne is an university, famous university in France. Okay. The complete sentence is à l'année prochaine, je sois à Paris pour étudier à la Sorbonne. I may be. This meaning is, expression is, I may be in Paris. This is the actual form and function of the présent du subjonctif. This is the form for the first person singular, je sois. And in any case, whenever you are using the different subject pronoun, you can use as per full form of the conjugation of the verb être, présent du subjonctif I have already given you, and you can use it comfortably. Okay. The main form is may be. Okay. That's all for the verb être. I am coming to the next verb. Please take down in your copy, avoir. Next verb is avoir. Présent du subjonctif. Actual meaning will be may have. Our verb is have. but présent du subjonctive means may have. J'ai, this is the first form. Tu es. These four forms for singular. J'ai, tu es, il est, elle est. Okay. A, I, E. This is a French spelling. A, I, S, A, I, T, I, T. Is it? Now plural I am showing you. Nous ayons. A, Y, O, N, S. Nous ayons. Pronunciation. Nous ayons. Vous ayez. A, Y, E, Z. Il, ILS, A, I, O, N, T. Ils aient, elles aient. These are the total form of the verb avoir. J'ai, I may have. Okay. Tu es, it is informal, you may have. Il est, elle est. This he may have, she may have. Nous ayons, we may have. Vous ayez, you may have, but formal. In case of respective persons and elders. Ils aient, they may have, and elles aient, they may have. This is the total form for masculine, feminine, and when masculine, feminine, both the first one you have to use. Okay. The same rule repeating. So this is the verb avoir, présent du subjonctif. Now it will be more clear, and it will be more clear to you how to use it properly. Just I am showing you a complete sentence. Si vous êtes très riche, if you are very rich. Si vous êtes très riche, vous ayez une voiture très chère. This is a complete French sentence. Si vous êtes très riche, vous ayez une voiture très riche. If English meaning, if you are very rich, that is, if you are a very rich man, you may have a very expensive car. This is the main thing. Is a may have. This is the application or implementation of the proper présent du subjonctif in this sentence. Okay. If it depends on a condition. If you are very rich, or that if you are a very rich man, okay. In that case, vous ayez une voiture très chère. You may have a very expensive car. Okay. This is a complete example. I think it is clear. This is the complete use and implementation of the verb avoir in présent du subjonctif. Today's topic and in today's class, I have just covered these two verbs mainly, être and avoir in présent du subjonctif. No other verbs I am covering in this session, and other verbs whatever may be in présent du subjonctif I will be showing you in next video lessons. Okay. That's all for today's class. I'll be coming with the next grammatical topic of the French grammar in the next video lessons or video class. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you for attending the class.